Hi everyone. Let's talk about power modes on Windows 11. A power mode, or plan, is a set of specific hardware and system settings like screen brightness and sleep settings that help manage your computer's energy usage. Windows 11 typically uses a balanced power mode, which automatically balances performance and energy consumption on capable hardware. But depending on your needs, you can change the power mode to either save energy and battery life or boost performance at the cost of using more energy. In older versions of Windows, you could set the preferred power plan through the battery menu in the taskbar. In Windows 11, you now have to go through the Settings app or Control Panel. Here's how you can change the power mode on a Windows 11 laptop or desktop. First, open the Settings app on Windows 11 and click on System. Next, click on the Power or Power and Battery page on the right side. In the Power Mode setting, select the mode you want to use. Best Power Efficiency saves energy by reducing the device's performance when possible. Balanced automatically balances performance with energy consumption on capable hardware. Best Performance offers the highest performance but uses more energy. After you've chosen a mode, Windows 11 will manage the power consumption based on your selection, giving you either more performance, better battery life, or a balance between the two.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.